Hi friends, welcome on Yourpedia Global, and this video is related to the opportunities in top global institutes including NUS and NTU for in the field of computer application or management, especially for those who are not from these backgrounds. ऐसा बहुत सा student है who is doing his education or engineering in core branches like electrical engineering, chemical engineering, textile, agriculture, mechanical, civil engineering and all, and now he is interested to specialize in business analytics or specialize in software or specialize in artificial intelligence, data analytics, computing, cognitive science, all these domains. They are called new emerging technologies related to computer science and management broadly. So अगर आपका branch of engineering is not computer science and you want to join these kind of courses in top global institutes, you can watch this my video also जो मैंने बनाया था. Then Param, the student who got admission in, he is from electronics engineering background and he got into National University Singapore, and the course was computing, that is general track. And in National University Singapore there are three kind of courses: business analytics, and then artificial intelligence जो computer background का है, and then computing general track. For computing general track, Param said that no GRE, no TOEFL is required, but for business analytics I think GRE, TOEFL is required. So top global institutes are sometime asking for GRE, sometime they are not. You need to see where your credentials, what your credentials are. अगर आपको लगता है GRE, TOEFL, IELTS कुछ नहीं देना, what is the best opportunity for us? Which global institutes we can go? Yes, there are global institutes. The best thing about admission abroad is that something or the else will work for you. If you do not have CGPA, nothing to worry. Some another thing will work for you. If you do not have CGPA, if you do not have GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, nothing, something else will work for you. I mean, your very good research work done in BTech level or your publications. If you do not have that also, maybe your research proposal, SOP is what we call, cover letter, CV, that will work for you. And if you have nothing in this, maybe you're mailing the professor or LinkedIn pay, you're messaging the professor will work for you. So there are top global institutes, unlike India where there is a huge competition for top institutes. Suppose I talk about top institutes in India, IIScs, IITs, top IITs. There is a huge competition because there are so many students. World global institutes में ऐसा नहीं है. Global institutes में there are 200 good universities जो QS ranking में IIT से ऊपर आती हैं, लेकिन उनको students नहीं मिलते उतने ज़्यादा. And another thing is like MS and PhD. We always tell you, you can go for PhD options also, MS also options. MS में क्या होता है कि you need to invest money. Like this Param went and he's telling in his video also that 50 lakh he's to spend for MS. No doubt that is value for money. The moment you graduate from the course, you will get very good salary, and within maybe 6 months you will cover up with this money. And going for MS abroad and then pursuing PhD, or after some couple of years of industrial job doing PhD, that also is very good. But then in India there are so many students who have already done masters, and now they are looking for PhD opportunities in such a way that PhD करते करते उनका जॉब भी हो रहा है, मतलब उनको पास पैसा भी आ रहा है. आई एम सेंडिंग होम 70,000 रुपीज पर मंथ, तो मेरे को पैसे की कमी नहीं है. नंबर 2, जैसे मेरा PhD होगा, teaching is not the only option I want for myself. I want academia and industry, both opportunities should be open for me. तो अगर ये दो तुम्हारी रिक्वायरमेंट है तो abroad PhD can be very good option. So direct after graduation if you go for PhD, you need not to spend money. और वही सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज मैं स्टूडेंट्स को बताता हूँ कि अगर आप मनी इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, you need not to have 50 lakh in your pocket. बैंक से लोन मिल जाता है. अगर आप कर सकते हैं तो MS के लिए चले जाएं. नहीं करना चाहते, नहीं कर सकते, PhD भी अच्छी ऑप्शन है. और अगर तुम्हें MSc मिल जाता है, डायरेक्ट PhD भी मिल जाता है. एंड गेटिंग डायरेक्ट PhD इन top universities, global university is more difficult than getting MS. Unlike India. इंडिया में तुम्हें PhD शायद आसानी से मिल जाए, MTech तुम्हें आसानी से ना मिले. बट अब्रॉड में तुम्हें MTech आसानी से MS तुम्हें आसानी से मिल जाता है, PhD तुम्हें नहीं मिलता। वाई? बिकॉज PhD इज अ जॉब देयर। इसलिए योरपीडिया हमेशा तुम्हें डायरेक्ट PhD की जो बात करता है उसका रीजन ये है कि वी वांट टू सेव 50 लाख, वी वांट टू सेव योर 50 लाख रुपीज, डोंट स्पेंड, अर्न मनी देयर। एंड नंबर 2, जो इंडिया के अंदर मिसकंसेप्शन है कि PhD नहीं करना है, बड़ा लंबा प्रोग्राम है, 6 साल 7 साल लग जाएगा, उसके बाद भी कुछ पता नहीं है, पैसे भी नहीं मिलेंगे, ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स अब्रॉड PhD में नहीं है। एक तो 4 साल के लिए है, एग्जैक्टली 4 years में प्रोफेसर विल गिव यू PhD बिकॉज उसको प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट करना है। पैसा आपको इतना मिल जाएगा जितना PSU की सैलरी होती है उतना तुम बचा लोगे। उसके बाद अपॉर्चुनिटीज इंडस्ट्री एकेडमिया दोनों के अंदर है। तो ये तीनों ही प्रॉब्लम PhD की जो हैं, जो शॉर्ट कमिंग्स इंडिया में, वो वहाँ पे नहीं है। सो यू कैन गेट इट। MS के लिए still if you want another degree that is MS from abroad, little more exposure and better exposure, yes, MS can be very good degree from abroad, but then you need to mentally prepared कि मेरे को बैंक से लोन लेना है और करना है, and that is not a bad, nothing to worry on that। तो वो मत सोचो लोन हो गया मेरे ऊपर, मैं तो दब जाऊंगा एंड मेरे को तो कैसे मैं लोन वापस करूँ। डोंट वरी, आई मीन इफ यू गेट लोन, यू स्टडी, यू गेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑल्सो देयर, समथिंग लाइक दैट कैन बी डन। सो फ्रेंड्स, NUS without GRE, without TOEFL course for you, those who are not from engineering background, business analytics, software fundamentals, जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर फंडामेंटल्स, एल्गोरिदम वगैरह आपका इस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स के अंदर आएगा। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का एक कोर्स है, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स का एक कोर्स है, एंड थर्ड कोर्स इज कंप्यूटिंग, which is general track course in NUS. Similarly, these all courses like business analytics and computing are available in other universities, global universities also. So in case you want to go there, German universities वगैरह में start applying now. The time left is less now. So try to explore opportunities, try to bring more opportunities on the table so that you can use these. All the very best friends, and select one of these options. Thank you.